Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use OnePay card online. So, shopping online with your OnePay card is simple and works just like any debit or prepaid card. Whether you're paying bills, buying from Amazon, or subscribing to a service, here's how to use it safely and correctly. So, before you start, make sure that your OnePay card is activated and has enough balance. Then, open the OnePay app, check your available funds, and confirm your card status says active. This ensures smooth transactions during checkout. Now, shop as usual on your favorite online store. Once you're done, proceed to the checkout or payments page. Then, choose the credit or debit card as your payment method. Now, carefully type your card number, that is your OnePay card number, expiration date, and CVV. Then, make sure the billing address you enter matches the one linked to your OnePay account, or the transaction may be declined. Now, after filling in your details, review the total amount, then click Pay or Place order, and you may be asked to verify the payment via an OTP or app notification. This step adds extra security. Once your payment is complete, open your OnePay app and go to the transactions section. You will see the payment appear instantly with the merchant name, amount, and time. And that's it. Your OnePay card can be used anywhere Visa or MasterCard is accepted online, letting you shop securely, pay bills, and subscribe with ease. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.